In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find or see maturity rating of any movie or TV shows on Netflix before you watch it. So if you'd like to find out or know if the movie or the TV show you want to watch is appropriate to a certain age group, then this information is always available on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this on your smartphone, just head over to any TV show that you'd like to find out. For instance, let me go ahead and tap on this animated movie. Then head down to here, starring. You can see we have names here, and up here we have the summary of the animated movie here, or comedy. Go ahead and tap on more. Here you'll see a list of cast, and just down below you can see we have maturity rating, and this is rated as PG, which means it needs parental guidance. So this means this movie will need some parental guidance, and it might be restricted, and it might be not suitable to very low age groups. You can also just at the summary here, you should be able to see the signage for maturity rating. It should be here. So that's how you can find maturity ratings on movies or TV shows in Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.